Does your lake look something like this? Is it silted up, choked with reeds and invaded by saplings and trees, when it really could look like this? What an improvement, and what a wonderful sight. The question then that usually follows is, how can this improvement be achieved? Doesn't it mean heavy machines churning up the ground around the lake so that it looks like a battlefield, and anyway the banks are too steep for machines, and there are too many trees in the way? The specialist firm of James Lowther has been solving these problems by dredging, rehabilitating and reviving ornamental lakes all around Great Britain for more than 30 years. While they are not the only contractor, they believe that their methods are the most suitable and sensitive to the environment, and also the most cost-effective in a great many cases. Their method minimises machine movement around the lake by using a mixture of modern and heritage machinery. Let's look at an example with this large project in Wales, where the lake was over 6 acres in area and, as we've already seen, heavily choked. Their power and compact cable haulage capacity make a pair of steam ploughing engines the ideal choice, enabling damaging traffic to parklands to be reduced to an absolute minimum. On this project it was possible to locate one engine on a metalled road, as we see here, and the other some 600 yards away at the other end of the lake. In use, one engine pulls the dredging bucket forward to the discharge point and the other returns it to the start point. With careful initial location of the engines and of the snatch blocks for the cable between them, it was possible for the whole lake to be dredged, with the later repositioning of only one engine to reach the inevitable awkward area. Some of the silting of this lake was so well established and compacted that an excavating machine was necessary. Here we see it standing on a timber mat, digging out and mixing the hard silt with the soft for removal in the dredging process. Of the dredge material is clearly a major issue as to where, and the influence on the resulting overall project cost, as 3 feet of silt over a 1 acre lake may equate to some 400 lorry loads. However, it is often possible to directly dredge the